everyone, it's Margie from the Westchester Children's Museum once again. I am here to do a fun activity with you this week, and I hope that you're all enjoying these activities. We'd love to hear about it if you are enjoying doing some of these activities. So this week we have something very different for you. We're actually going to make a movie. So I don't know if you've ever seen cartoons or movies where clay creatures or people moved on their own, or cars moved on their own. Well, you may have seen a TV show or a movie called Wallace and Gromit. And in that, there are clay creatures, I should say people, and a dog that actually move on their own. How do they do that? Do you think you can do that? They are actually using something called stop motion animation. So we're going to make our own little movie today. Now our movie won't be that long because it takes a really long time to do stop motion animation. You actually may have to move something 1,000 times in order to create 1 minute of film. That's a lot. Because when you use stop motion animation, what you're doing is you're moving an object very slightly, and then you're taking a picture, and then very slightly again, and then you're taking a picture. And then when all those pictures are put together, it looks like the object is moving on its own. So that's what we're going to do today. So let's have some fun. And maybe you can think of some other movies or cartoons that you've seen that use stop motion animation. But let's have some fun. And let's make a movie today. So here's what you need to get started to make your stop motion animation movie. So what do you need to make your stop motion animated movie? You just need a couple things. You need to pick out some toys. So maybe make a basket full of toys that you can use for your movie or your stop motion animated movie. So I actually picked out 2 toys, and that was my race car and my famous Scribblebot. So those are the toys that I picked out. You'll also need an iPad or a smartphone. You'll also need to download a free app called Stop Motion Studio. And it's free, and you can see it on my iPad. So you'll need to do that. And then, just to make it a little more fun, it'd be great to have some markers and some white paper, because then you can write a title for your movie and the end for your movie. And also, you're going to need a good place where you can actually film your movie with your stop motion app. So if you have a nice piece of foam core, that's a good place where you could do it. Or you could use poster board. Or you could just use a blank wall or the back of a door. But I'm going to use foam core for mine. And that's all you need to get started. So let's make our stop motion animated movie. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to set the stage for your movie. Who are the characters going to be? What are they going to do? So I picked out, as I said, Scribblebot and a car. And the title of my movie is going to be Scribblebot and the Car. And I'm going to make the car chase the Scribblebot. So how can we do that? So let's take a look at the app and see how we can do that and make our Scribblebot move and make our car chase him. So let's see what happens. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on the app And then you want to click on New Movie. Then what you want to do is you want to stand up your iPad so it's in front of your toys. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take a picture each time you move your toy. And with the app, it's very easy to do that. Because all you need to do is press the red button over there. So every time I move Scribblebot, I'm going to take a picture. And it's going to be a slight move. And every time I move the car, I'm going to take a picture. But I'm going to show you all how this works because I made one earlier today. So I'm going to show you. So here goes. You're going to see my mini movie. So I hope you all had fun doing this very different activity for us this week. I know I did. I'm going to make a few more movies. So I have some challenges for you. Do you think you can make a movie that's 45 seconds long? Do you think that you could make some Play-Doh people and animals, or clay people and animals, and make a movie with them? Do you think that you could use some of your Legos and make a movie where a building builds itself? That could be really fun. So get creative. Make a movie for someone that you love. Maybe put some special notes in it. You can do that too. So it's Margie from the Westchester Children's Museum. Thank you so much for joining us for all these fun activities. We miss you again so much at the museum, but please join us for now on our website for all our fabulous programs. We have tons of programs on Facebook Live every week, and then we have tons of videos that we're uploading also every week for you to watch and learn about. So that's it. Have a great day. Bye. Scribblebot says goodbye too. Bye.